Hello. Hello, welcome guys. Weekly for forecast 7th September to 11th September 2020 and Forex warning. Forex is a leverage trading, so always risks involved there. Also, the permission of your country of resistance. And those who are new, first subscribe our channel and give link to your friends and family for subscribe this channel to get help of our analysis and this video is an educational purpose only, so they might get some education from these videos. And click on bell button for further update. And this week lesson, remember always you need an exit strategy when things are working and when they are not. uh, it's a bit more for confusion that you need an exit strategy when things are working and things are when things are working. You must know your TP, your target profit, and when they are not working your strategy, then you need to exit your SL, your stop loss. So you need an exit strategy when things are working for TP and when they are not for SL. And this week also we are analysis on US index, crude, gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, Euro GBP, GBP JPY, EURGBP, USDCAD, US 500 and others. And remember, this is technical and fundamental analysis. It might be changed during the week, so do not set your mind that it's going for buy or sell. Even US index look pullback from 91.86. It's a very deepest from the year of history, and it will likely consolidate it on 92.82. And my next plan is to buy if when the 200 moving average also come near to it. So my next target is for go for bond if it break this up, so it might hit 95, around 95 again. So you look at the guys, if 200 moving average came down it and it crossed this level, then we can go for a buy on US index. And the recent gain on US dollar, some data also are, and there now people are now coming in the office and purchasing shares, and they're huge of amount of exchange in USD. So USD index will rise in perspective, in my perspective. Well, our next pair is crude, and a crude. I do not. I don't think crude is a. And for we are trading, I always trade crude is like crude and gold, like at investment. I purchase a price, and I always say that if it's a buy zone, if you the present scenario and the second wave of COVID-19 also pass away from the Europe zone, so also the China zone. So we may expect crude for buy zone because it will go above 45 and 50, touch 50 in this end of the year. So if you have dollar in your account, you can buy from anywhere from this and you can take profit. So In crude, I suggest just buy and buy, and you can buy from 39, 38, 36, for in from 40, and put in till December. Then you can gain more and more from this. In fact, when we see the crude is when it's top up on 65 and 68, someone think even 70 or 120. So this is the this is the feature that will move around 70, 80 should. So keep hold, and if you have swap free and others and roll free account, then you can buy from here and keep it for 6 months. And basically, I how I trade in crude and gold, I maintain separate account for this, and put 5,000, $10,000 in the crude and gold account, and buy some buy some lots which not exist my um, dollar to zero. Then I'm just fell out for 4 or 5 months, then it give me profit. So you can keep a 5,000 or $2,000 account, buy a small lot that it if it again goes to 0 or 10 or 8 or 9 crude dollar, then your account will be not clean. Then you just sell it, and in the December you get 60, 70 uh, when the price touch, then you can get more and more profit. So it's still a bit like of an investment. So you can buy anywhere from there. Well, gold want to pull back, but still you can see uh, to not break this previous bearish candle, and we see a pink bar, then again goes up, but still to beat this bearish candle. So the US index is going some upper side, so we may expect a down to this range about 1880 or 1860 or even 1820. Then we can find a buy, and if it crosses this line about 1960 or 1970, then next target is 21,000, 2,100 in gold next target if it cross this range again. Well, you can see Euro USD is going for a channel, and look at this channel. It is going like this channel and creating a new higher high, and yet to beat the this range even low. So we may expect up toward around 125. So my next TP for Euro USD is 1.2124, and though 200 moving average is coming back, but if it goes above that, it will again going for down, and 50-day moving average also mm, coming towards this price. If it crossed it, it will go again more high and smack my TP2. And GBPUSD, it also hit my TP2 and just kiss my TP3. So my next expectation is to again to create this level, then we find a big sell from there. So wait, I am buying from there to this level again, and price again re-enter my channel. So I want to show how the market open, and if it goes down, then we can sell, but not about this level only 1.31, then we can again buy. So wait for market to open and give some correction this level, then you can buy big for my TP3 1.38. USDJPY, well, it need to fall around, my target is 103 or 2, then we can buy big around to from there, and 1.11, sorry, uh, from 100.11. So it is the also in selling zone. You can look at this consideration, and another a big fall, again a consolidation, and we keep waiting for a big fall again, and this fall will the final to beat this lower low. So my target is selling again USDJPY, selling towards 102 for the big buy around 111. Well, AUD USD, and it's a long channel coming from June, and look at that ascending and descending channel. It goes and create my this new channel from there, and price is ranging sometime, then it goes up, then again came to a range, and I will buy from there because you can see this bullish uh, mm, buy bars, so we may expect to beat now to touch 0.744, then will price will hit back again. Well, I am moving to Euro New Zealand, and you can see this pair to beat this, so I expect a head and shoulder pattern there. Not quite beautiful, but look like this. So if it create from there, it will go up, and if it break this 1.74, then may again go down to around this level, then final buy toward 184 or even 186. So it's a very good uh, opportunity to buy from there, so you can take some buys from there. And you want to hurt me about the EURGPY, and EURGPY, we can see this channel, and it will break below again, so we may expect euro to be strong, and JPY also be putting a pressure, but market at present scenario we see a bullish bar, and the rejection of sell there, so we may find price to moving up then fall again, so it's better to stay away from this pair and try to reach out 126 or 127 for sale zone. Well, GBP New Zealand, and it falling again, and my next target is to GBP New Zealand. Well, I wait for a correction, and market will corrective structure if goes to there. So this is the zone from we buy from there, and my channel ends coming also there. So maybe expect a fall around 1.95, then we will buy from there again. Well, let's see GBPAUD, and GBPAUD, it's a sideways market. You can see this sideways market from, look at that sideways. It's a sideways market. So price is still to beat this higher high. So we may expect a down to sounding correction. So I make it 1.80, then we can find a big move from there around this level. So it's a buying opportunity from the below, and it's a good investment from there. So wait for market to fall. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching. And my final announcement, and it's a good news that we will start our copy trade in our forex, and many of investor and my friends and family and some of my investor wants mm, to manage their fund, but it's a very difficult for me. I have already 17 trade managers, and I almost fill up my accommodation in my office. So I may put in decision that I will start a copy trade. So we will start our copy trade in RoboForex. So it's a very simple. It's a 35 and 65 ratio. So we will take 35% of the profit, and we will got 65% of the profit. So we'll start our RoboForex copy paste from next week. So you may create an account in RoboForex. Then